Okay, camera's working again, so I'm gonna continue with the camera. Don't know when the camera's no Bobby Orr for those asking. I don't know when the camera stopped recording. I just looked up and saw that I stopped recording around 11 minutes. So I'll take a look, try to see what was missed. Alright, here we have Pavel Datsyuk, Detroit Red Wings, cardboard. John Moore, the Columbus Blue Jackets. Bill Ranford, Edmonton Oilers. Jay Bouwmeester, Calgary Flames. And Jimmy Howard of the Detroit Red Wings. I think I'm running low on battery on my camera, so just gotta speed things up a little bit. Here we have Dwayne Roloson, Tampa Bay Lightning. Ryan Callahan, New York Rangers, cardboard. Adam Larson, the New Jersey Devils. Derek Brassard, Columbus Blue Jackets, and PK Subban, the Montreal Canadiens. Okay, 2 more packs. Good luck to those who still have not gotten a hit. Here we have Eric Johnson, Colorado Avalanche. Evgeny Malkin. Cardboard, nothing here. Tim Thomas, Boston Bruins. Brett Hull of the St. Louis Blues. And Jeff Skinner, Carolina Hurricanes. Alright, here's our last pack. Whoa. Dropped it there. First one is Johan Franzen base card. We have a Derek Roy, the Buffalo Sabres. James Neal, Pittsburgh Penguins. Nothing. Jacob Voracek, Philly. And Patrick Sharp. So that is it. I'm going to recap the hits right here. So the hits, we have the Future Watch, Anaheim Mighty Ducks, Pat Maroon. We also have the SP Essentials, Jamie Benn, the Dallas Stars. SP Essentials, Sidney Crosby. The Future Watch, Ben Holmstrom, the Philadelphia Flyers. Rookie Holo FX, Sean Couturier. Future Watch, Zach Kassian. Blake Geoffrion, we have 2 Rookie Holo FX. One is the die cut, one is the normal. And we have a Sign of the Times, Matthew Halashchuk of the Nashville Predators. So congratulations to those who won. Let me just pull up my list here. The 3 Nashville Predators will go to Nashville. Aaron WM2 on eBay. We have 2 Phillies. 2 Philadelphia will go to DJ Woody 0252. Sidney Crosby goes to Villa 1444. Jamie Benn of the Dallas Stars. That one is won by Chips and 6. Same thing with Anaheim, Chips and 6. And Buffalo, JLi624. Alright, that's all the hits. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time. Have the video posted up shortly. It'll probably be a while, and I'll try to figure out what happened with in the gap in between the two videos. Alright, thanks a lot. See ya.